know, man. Y'all think I get a pass? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. In my last video, the Nike SB City of Love coconut milk, I told y'all that I really wanted the Burgundy Crush, right? So after I acquired these on the sneakers app, I was just lounging around. I said, nah, I gotta get both. I gotta get the pack. So I Googled Nike SB Dunk Burgundy Crush and these popped up. I mean, I should have knew better, but Google should have knew better. But after looking at this sneaker, fire. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So in my hand is the Nike Dunk Burgundy Crush. No SB. But if you look at that sneaker and you look at this sneaker, very similar, guys. I mean, of course you don't get the fat tongue. The swoosh is a little light. Let's pull up the Burgundy Crush City of Love joints one more time. Okay, so in that sneaker, the swoosh is better in that SB. I'm not gonna lie. But this is premium leather in this swoosh also, guys. It is more leather in that City of Love joint too. But again, nubuck suede in this one. Man. Also, the Burgundy in the SB is a little more reddish because it's a Valentine's Day dunk at the end of the day, City of Love. And you don't have the paint sparticles. But this is a Nike Dunk Premium. So the materials here, they kind of add up, guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm still mad I made the mistake, but some mistakes are good, man. Even has flat... Let's get into it, man. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So like I said, it's not an SB. It is a dunk, but it's not just a regular dunk. It does have those words PRM. That changes the dunk from regular to premium. So you get your light red or dark orange box, OG Nike box, and it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM Burgundy Crush. Burgundy Crush, guys. Plummy clips. When you flip open the lid, no, you're not going to get that Nike SB sticker because it's not an SB. So you get your regular tissue paper, and there go your quality control stamp right there. Guys, I know a lot of y'all not new to the game, but if you are new, this quality control stamp means something. It really does, guys. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. Here's a 360 view of the right shoe, the Nike Dunk Low Burgundy Crush, not SB, guys. Let's start with this toe box. I like it, man. I think it's a mix between like nubuck and wool, but more on the wool side. I really like that look, guys. Around it is where you get your premium nubuck suede. We know the difference between regular nubuck suede and premium. If you don't, I'm going to tell you. Premium nubuck suede looks like leather. Looks like soft leather. And if you can see, it looks like soft leather all the way around the shoe, guys. Let's get to the swoosh. The swoosh is a lighter burgundy than the sneaker. More on the pale side, but it's also leather. And behind it, you do get more of that wool furniture look texture in the back. But all the same color through the sneaker besides the swoosh. Let's get to the back. My favorite, the Nike logo there is also in the same color as the swoosh. And like a lighter purple or burgundy, if you will. Come around. Same as the outside and the inside, but look at the premium materials, guys. You see, you know it's premium when it looks like leather, guys. And that's like a pale purple burgundy crush look there. The inside is also the same as the outside, same colorway, back to back there. Let's go to the tongue. The tongue is in that regular Nike Dunk mesh with your Nike logo at the top. No fat SB tongue. It's not an SB, but great material here, guys. Let's get to the bottom. All cranberry or burgundy crush. No mix. Everything's the same. These laces is what I want to talk about. Flat wax laces, guys. That gives you that premium look there, man. Not the thick SB laces, but flat wax leather laces, man, is a premium look, guys. That was the right. This is the left, guys. More premium look. As you can see, it sports somewhat of a gum bottom, like a darker gum nose, you know, more of that burgundy look, burgundy crush. But I like it, man. Like, you can see it. Like, they could have just opted to make it all burgundy, but I like that hit at like a gum look at the bottom, knocking off, you know, all the burgundy and purple we see. Yes, sir. So it's not the pack I was hoping for, but it's kind of close, guys. I like these. The more I look at these, I like these. So this has been a review on the Nike Dunk Low Premium Burgundy Crush joints. They released November 2nd last year, and they went over my head. I mean, Dunk's been coming out so much that a lot go over my head, but I never even remember seeing this release. Of course, $100 retail. If you look on GOAT and StockX now, same price, guys. $100. Be careful when you just spend in a moment buying. I guess that's what this video is trying to give you. Because after I brought them, I waited like 15 minutes and I was like, I don't think those was the City of Love joints. But it was only one size 10 left on the site. So either way, man, I like the purchase, man. Again, you could get this for the same price on resale right now. The sneaker's been out, what, 3 months now. So, I mean, I like them. Let me know in the comment section below, do y'all feel like these look like the City of Love joints? Because, I mean, it's a no-brainer there. But, to each his own, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.